guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be doing a grocery haul and meal planning video like I normally do on once a week. This one's a little different. I decided to go to Costco to buy some things that we needed. This was after work on the Friday. Typically, I would do grocery shopping on the Saturday after making the meal plan. But I wasn't quite sure what was going to be available to buy there, so I didn't want to plan out my grocery trip line by line because I felt like it was pointless to do that when some things may not be available. So I was going to go and just see what was available and get what we needed. So that's what we did this week. I'll show you in a second now what we ended up getting, and then I'll go into our meal plan. So a little bit different from my previous grocery hauls and meal planning videos, but based on what we got, I did make a meal plan for the week, and that's kind of how we'll handle it this week. Here we go. So you guys can see here, this is what we got. This is just a picture, not a video this time, but we were able to get some meat products and lots of produce. They didn't have all the canned goods that I was looking to get. Like normally we would have some of the Kirkland canned chicken on hand, but that's okay. We did get some tuna and some salmon. I got our eggs and also some zucchinis, which I'm going to be making zoodles with, which you'll see in the meal plan in a second. So overall, it was quite busy, but not as bad as I expected. And as you would expect, some of the products that we've been hearing that have people are looking to get in bulk, like toilet paper, were not available. So I wasn't surprised there. But we did get what we needed, and looking forward to our meal plan this week, which I'll go into right now. So here's the meal plan that I've laid out for the week, and this is using the meal planning sheet that I made for us. And you can see here we're sticking to our typical routine of fasting in the morning, and then lunch is really where we have our typical breakfast type meal. That should have been over here. Just made a mistake on where I put it. So for our dinners, we do have zoodles and spaghetti planned, and I had mentioned that just a second ago. We'll be having that 2 days this week. We also have some trout with roasted broccoli planned. And I'm going to be making a soup on Sunday to meal prep. So then that will be good for a few days this week. It actually might end up lasting longer than the 2 days, but we'll play that by ear. On Friday, I do have a family wedding to go to, which the reception will be where we eat our dinner. So I won't have to plan anything for that. And then Sunday, we'll be going to be doing cheeseburger patties and a Greek salad. So that is the plan for the week. Not too bad. I'll be doing some prepping on the weekend to do the soup and the spaghetti sauce, so that'll be easier. And then just some simple snacks planned, such as almonds and cheddar or olives and dilled Brussels sprouts. So that is the plan for the week. Not quite my usual setup for these type of videos, but this is what we're making do for the week. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you come back. We do these weekly meal planning and grocery haul videos, as well as new recipe videos every week. So until next time, bye-bye.